Hi, my name is Ctenophora. That's me, but you can call me comb jelly. My friends call me that because my cilia kind of looks like a comb. Pretty weird, I know. I'll tell you a little bit about myself. My family and I currently live in a marine environment. We prefer warmer waters and reside inshore near to the ocean surface, while my other family lives offshore in the deep ocean. They make holiday gatherings pretty tricky. My mom says I am pretty attractive because I'm radially symmetrical and have a jelly-like dipoblastic bod. I wonder why boys never stop to talk to me, though. Maybe it's because I'm see-through and made up of 95% water. I wish they would see me for what's on the inside. My kind is split up into two classes, Tentaculata, or those with tentacles, and Nuda, those without tentacles. My family of Phylum Ctenophora have about 200 species that are all invertebrates that have no central nervous system, just a subepidermal nerve net around their mouths. However, I would not describe us as simple. We came into existence about at least 500 to 700 million years ago, when in 2007, scientists discovered my grandma's jellyfish fossils buried in Utah from 505 million years ago. Ever since, we have been known to represent a non-bilateran lineage of metazoa and have been classified as metazoas and a sister to all other metazoans. The way I move is also super cool. They should make a Nemo 3 about it. Our bodies consist of 8 comb-like rows of cilia that aid in locomotion by beating synchronously and propelling us through the water. And the coolest part is, our rows refract a rainbow-like appearance as we move through water. Most of us also exhibit bioluminescence, a chemical reaction that produces light within an organism, but not all of our species is this lucky. For example, my cousin Kyle sucks. My life cycle has been pretty simple. When I was born, I had no distinctive larval form and was mostly planktonic. I basically just floated around until I started looking more grown up, if you know what I mean. I will be 1 year old on February 2nd, but I can live for almost 3 years, if I'm lucky. I know what you're thinking. If I'm so cool, why am I not in a relationship, right? Well, let me tell you, I am hermaphroditic. That means I have both female and male parts. The only difference is fertilization can be intracellular or extracellular, with some species keeping the eggs inside the body chamber until they hatch, and others release the egg and sperm into the ocean through pores in the epidermis. One may wonder, hey comb, with no arms or legs, how do you eat? I eat by pumping water into my body cavity. If I had tentacles, I could use those to catch my food using colloblasts, or sticky cells that line tentacles and catch prey. However, the sea is no place for a Gordon Ramsay level meal. My species is a carnivorous species that feeds on small crustaceans like copepods and fish larvae. I had to make a family tree about us for science class. Something about getting in touch with my roots. Well, this is what it looks like. It looks like our most distantly related taxon is the Porphyria. The closest relative to us, Ctenophora, is the Cnidaria, probably because we share a common ancestor. People are always getting me confused with a jellyfish. Scientists are constantly curious about our origin, and they make phylogenetic trees to try and determine our lineage. Something like this one. This looks similar to the one I made. In both trees, our sister taxa is Cnidaria. The only difference is that in mine, the outgroup is Porphyria, and in this one, the outgroup is Choanoflagellata, which is just a bacteria with flagella. If the two trees did look different, it might be because they used different characteristics to represent different phyla, and came out with different looking trees. It could also be because of something called long branch attraction, or LBA. This happens when a well-known artifact in phylogenetic tree reconstruction incorrectly places fast-evolving branches close to the root of the tree. Anyways, thanks for listening to my story. Time for me to go eat some more copepods. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.